morning. I'm Mackenzie Paris-Candola, and here's the school newscast. It's a beautiful sunny morning here on the east coast of Florida, and today we have a surprise for you. Our school has a new partner school in China. To tell us about it, let's go to our foreign correspondent, Cindy Lee, standing by live in Shanghai. Good morning, Cindy.
Good morning to you, Mackenzie, but actually it's 8 o'clock in the evening right now here in China.
Yes, I can see that you are standing outside in the dark. Maybe you can explain how it can be 8 o'clock in the evening in China while it's 8 o'clock in the morning here in Florida.
It's pretty simple, Mackenzie. China is halfway around the world from Florida. And so while it's daylight in Florida, it's nighttime in China. Here's why.
Earth rotates or spins on its axis once every 24 hours. The axis is the imaginary line that runs through the center of our planet from the North Pole to the South Pole. Because of Earth's rotation, only half of the planet is facing the sun at any time. So when we are facing the sun, it is daytime. And when we are facing away from the sun, it is nighttime.
Rotating is like a top spinning. There's a central point that goes imaginary through the Earth from the North Pole to the South Pole, and the Earth spins around that. That's called its axis. It rotates on its axis.
Let's see how students can demonstrate that rotation in the classroom. Each student represents the Earth, and the bright lamp represents the sun. Right now, the students are facing the lamp, the sun, with the U.S. or United States on their chests. So it would be noon in the United States with the sun directly overhead. The students now take a quarter turn, and now the west is facing the sun. It is now sunset in the U.S. Another quarter turn, and China faces the sun. That shows it is noon in China, while the U.S. is in darkness. Another quarter turn, and the word east faces the sun, showing that it's sunrise in the U.S. And then to complete the 24-hour cycle, we see the U.S. facing the sun directly again. And once again, it's noon in the United States. So as Earth rotates on its axis every 24 hours, it is always daytime on the part of the planet facing the sun, and it is nighttime on the part of the planet facing away from the sun.
Ultimately, the sun is the source of our energy, our everyday energy. It causes our crops to grow. It allows life on Earth to exist. We need the heat from the sun as the fuel that stimulates all life.
Earth is always moving, and the part of Earth facing the sun gradually heats up during the day because of energy it gets from the sun. Earth's atmosphere is the layer of gas that surrounds our planet. It acts like a blanket to trap that heat, to keep us from getting too cold at night. Earth rotates on its axis, and the moon revolves around the Earth. At the same time, the moon and Earth together revolve around the sun once every 365 days, which is 1 year. So how does the rotation of Earth affect the time of day?